Hey, budget 32 Samsung. So it's a smart TV and it is full HD as well, no 4K, which I suppose would be pointless. First things first, separate power pack, pedestal feet, quick setup guide, and it uses approximately 40 watts on with it being used. Instruction book and remote pack. So I'll get the television out of the box. Just pop it to the side. You can see here and here locations for the feet to go in. That's one foot, and you can just see the screw pack poking out there. Get the screw pack out. So 4 self-tapping screws that are just going to screw into the plastic. So I'll probably just fast forward this bit while I whip these feet in. Quick close up of the back and side here, so you can see it's got composite and component inputs there for your old analog devices. Digital optical audio out, 19 volt input from that power pack we saw earlier, LAN wired connection, but I think it does have Wi-Fi as well. Looking at the side a bit closer, you can see you've got 2 HDMIs, 1 and 2 there, which is ARC number 2, so that's audio return channel, 1 USB at 1 amp, and your terrestrial aerial. I'm just referring to the back of it again. You can see there 100mm VESA mountings, which are M4 screws. Again, I'm just going to get a depth measurement. It is quite thick, so it's about 75mm, just under 3 inches. So we'll just get a close up there of the side, and that's how it looks from the front. Quick look in the instruction book pack, but all we're really getting in there is a standard smart remote. So basic smart remote there with the buttons, home, settings, etc. and channel numbers. AAA batteries into that one. And figure 8 mains lead, 2 AAA batteries. Figure 8 mains lead goes into our power pack. So next thing, I shall put it on a stand of some sort, power, aerial and a network cable, and we'll see what it does. Right. This is now wired up. I've just put, like I say, the power pack into it, wired internet and a terrestrial aerial connection. Now doing the tuning, I will skip this bit till the end of it. Right, finally done its scan. I did just miss the region select there, but for the demo it'll be fine. It is important to pick the correct region, however. So we've got some of the apps there that you can pre-select to be on the menu. I'm just going to skip that for now.
This was meant to be a moderate, move along, not much to see kind of reshuffle, not a bit of it. The departure of the Chancellor is a huge event, a huge moment for any government. But this time it represents something else, a sign of a number 10 that wants total dominance to be in complete control. Boris Johnson's team is adamant this is no power grab. They just want less friction at the top. This is a
So that is pretty much it. I've put it onto a Freeview HD channel, so that is the best picture you're going to get for a 32. It's not bad actually. It is a bit cheap and cheerful, but 32 is not a big market. I'll just turn the sound up again so you can hear it.
The other significant casualty, as Laura said, was the Northern Ireland Secretary Julian Smith, sacked after delivering what had seemed the impossible job, getting devolution restored. He's replaced by Brandon Lewis. The Defence Secretary Ben Wallace was forced to come back to London today from a NATO meeting in
The sound is a bit flat, but for a small 32, we're not going to expect much more, so quickly I'll just try YouTube, see if there's anything fast moving on there, try my friend's channel quickly.
Priti Patel, Home Secretary, remain in place, pretty much as expected, which means the big four officers of state
Eventually. Just see if it'll go to its full quality. Should be able to get 1080 there. It says HD. Said it was in HD, there we go. I mean, it doesn't look like it's blurry, but it's probably not the best quality picture. So I'll just give it another few seconds. Okay. So it does have Wi-Fi built in as well. So no Bluetooth, but you can connect to soundbar via Wi-Fi if it's a Samsung one. So if you are connecting an external speaker or soundbar, you can do it either via the ARC or digital in. And for now, that is it. Cheap and cheerful 32. Not many of them around anymore. Did do the 32, I think it was M5500 or M5520. That seemed better quality, but it was more expensive, so price does reflect.